Hello friends, today we will learn about water plants, how to grow them in water. Let's see. First plant is onion. We will show you root. These roots are grown in 5 to 6 days and green leaves are also grow. We have to take a like onion. This onion no roots but green leaves are there and we have to only put in a water like this, and here that roots are grow. Second plant is spider plant. These roots are grown very healthy and white in 10 to 15 days. I take this diamonds marble like a showpiece. This is succulent plant, indoor plant. It is very small but roots are long, and these are two types of small plants. These and these two different plants, but quality is same, but leaves are different, or giving a small plants on a leaf, but color and plant name is different. Fourth plant is Hopistime and Moss Rose. We will show you roots, how much long and fit roots are there. Hopistime is not growing well in water because this plant is only giving flower in summer, but roots are grow very fast. This plant you should grow in water, and after roots grown you have to put in a mud like this. You are able to see how much roots are there. And I put marbles, some marbles I put in water showpiece. And growth is also well, but flowering not giving. You have to able small growth is there. This plant give flower also. Some plants only give flowers in water. Fifth plant is mint. How much long roots are there, and very healthy roots are there, friends. We have to take this plant very carefully. This green small shoots are there, new growth is there, that is very long roots are there, and we have to again keep in a water. Sixth plant is Denthus. We will show you root and decorate plant. This plant you should able to keep in window or dining table. Roots are very long, but this plant is not growing well in a water. This plant grow in a mud as well as fast growing, but it plants is grown in water very long period of time. Seventh plant is showpiece, very long, that's why I put in a plastic big bottle. Only two roots came in a 20 to 30 days. We will show you. more roots are there, but they are small. See this root. See, these are new shoots. Very much quantity of shoots are there. Root are also there. Now we will show you how to grow plant in water and what to do fertilizers for fast growing in water plants. First we have to take one container. We take one container, and how to collect this plant we should show you. This is my spider plant. In mud this plant is very grow fast. You are able to see how much long and circle plant this is, and you have to see where is small plant of this plant. This is, we have to pinch on our hands like this. This is spider plant, small plant it is of spider plant we should take. Now we should take a succulent plant. These leaves are there and there are small plants of, we take like this. You want that much you take. Now we will take this plant like this. This plant also giving small plants on leaf. Now we will take hopistime sticks like this. Pinch we have to do and collect like this. Now we will take mint plant like this. We have to pinch and take this plant, very green and healthy. Now we will take a moss rose. We have to pinch this plant like this. We have to take a long stick of benthus. We have to pinch this stick like this. More we will take. We take all the plants, and now we will show you how to grow this plant. First we will take a showpiece like this. Small plant you have to take and simply put in water like this, and this plant grow in a 10 to 15 days. Now we will take a mint. We will show you how to grow mint in water. First we have to remove these all leaves, but only we have to take this up leaf. We remove leaves only. We take these leaves, new growth we have to take only, and these small leaves we have to not pinch these leaves. Now we will put in water these plants. Now we will take onion. No roots are there, but green leaf onion we have to take and put in a water like this. Now we will take benthus. Very simple tricks I am giving you to grow plants in water. Like this we have to grow fit plant. Now we will show you spider plant. Only you have to water and plant you have to take, and simple method of this plant to grow in water. Only we have to put in this container. Now we will take a office time. We will grow now office time. Small stick are there. So we will onion we will grow in big pot. Chini, moss rose we grow in water now. We grow all the plants in water now. One plant is remaining to grow. These small plants we have to take a small and plain container, and simply we have to pour these plants in water. Now that quality we will change. Now this quality we will take and give water. You like please my video and subscribe and share. Please follow my channel. Thank you.